Hello guys, this is Angie and today want to make mango salad. So I have two green mangoes or unripe. So this one we're going to do for salad, and I show all my ingredients and we are going to eat on this recipe. Here's the ingredients. We have this one, the shallot, shredded ginger, coriander, this one, the chili or padi. Then we have the pounded dry shrimp, lime or calamansi, and we have this peanut, roasted peanut. So I just take out the skin. Then after that we need to pound it. Okay, so we need to put together in one plate all the ingredients. First, shredded ginger, chili padi, shallot slices, then pounded dried shrimps and roasted peanut. For the sauce, fish sauce, palm sugar, lime, mas for the sauce, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons palm sugar, and 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Mix it. After that, can pour it over the salad and mix it equally. Let's give a try for this recipe balances the sweetness and sour and warmth of the mango with the acidity of the lime juice and the kick of padi, chili, ginger, spicy. It has a pleasing range of textures, the crunchy of the peanuts, little bit of the mango, a bit yellow, but delicious. This thumbs up, guys. Hope you like my video today, guys, and you wanna try this recipe, then okay, I write down under the description box the ingredients and the methods, and just like me, like or favorite the sour thing, then please hit the like button below and write your comments, and please subscribe. And thank you for your support, guys. Okay, see you next time again. Bye.